Assalamu alaikum. My name is Timur. I will be your TripLegend guide in Kyrgyzstan, and let me show you the most beautiful and unexplored places in the world. Welcome to Kyrgyzstan. In Kyrgyzstan we have a lot of different wild animals, but my favorite wild animal is snow leopard because it's very unique, it's very beautiful, and it's living very far from the people. Almost nobody can see it, but sometimes some lucky people can see it in the mountain. And in case if you will ask me what is my favorite dish or what kind of the dish you have to try here in Kyrgyzstan, I would say it's bishparmak because it's our traditional dish, and from the ancient time Kyrgyz people love this meal, and it's actually noodles and very small cutted pieces with a little bit onion and bouillon. If you will come to Kyrgyzstan, you have to do some trekking because we have a lot of beautiful mountains, green valleys, big rivers and beautiful lakes. Everything it's very like green, beautiful, and in winter time it's very also nice for ski touring because the territory of Kyrgyzstan consists from the mountains for 93%, and everywhere we have like really unique and beautiful places. When I'm not guiding the groups, I just really love to be in the mountains anywhere. I like climbing, trekking, everything which is connected with the mountains. And in Kyrgyzstan, like I think people even not very wealthy, but they are really feeling themselves happy. Please come to our country.